Hello guys, Madam Peck is here again. Oh, Madam Good News is right here at Mercy Divine Properties Limited. And I'm here to remind you that our promo is still running. Remember, the promo is for 1 month and 1 week is out of it already. We are left with just 3 weeks for this promo, and the promo is that instead of getting new Banana Highland for 7 million naira per plot, you will be getting it at the rate of 6.5 million naira because of this promo. And the reason is because the MD CEO of Mercy Divine Properties birthday is on the 26th of this July that we just entered into, and she has decided to give a discount because of her birthday. So all you need to do is to call 0903429651 to get your own plot of new Banana Island so that you can partake in the blessing of the CEO. Okay, you see this good news what I bring for you like this, you must partake inside. You don't get choice. You dey hear me? You need them. I mean, you don't need them. Even if you don't want build anywhere where you dey, whether you're based in Port Harcourt, River State, Lagos, abroad, London, Canada, USA, Malaysia, UK, anywhere where you dey, it's a business investment. Once you buy it, after a year, 2 or 3, the price will increase, you will sell it, and you have good return on investment. Wouldn't you love that? I know you love money now. Not the only Madam Peck will like money, everybody like money. So they wait for you. And the number again to call is 0903429651 Bye.